Seth Siegel-Gardner. I'm a chef and I've been cooking for people for over 30 years. I love cooking wild game because it is harder packing it out and preparing it for your family and friends. We're down here in Rockport, Texas, chasing some redfish with Seth Gamble from Black Duck Skiffs, a boat maker who also owns Big Tree Oyster with his wife, Amy.
Yeah, so we're in Rockport, Texas, which is kind of lower central Texas coast. And our fishery here is really good. The type of fishing we're doing is all shallow water sight casting. Typically when I go fishing, I only keep as much fish as I'm gonna eat in the next couple days. I don't freeze fish. I find that the quality goes way down. Fresh fish just eat so much better. Yeah, and I think there's something about going out and harvesting just as much as you need and then immediately eating it. That's a very different experience to me personally than putting it in a freezer.
On the half shell, right?
Yes, and one reason to leave the fish on the half shell, which is literally just leaving the skin on the fillet, is that we can keep all the belly meat intact.
Yeah, and so it's gonna protect the fish from the heat, just that transfer of heat, so it's not gonna burn.
So I'm really looking forward to seeing what you do with these.
I did bring, we kind of make this everything spice at Maximo, and it's got like sesame seeds, chili, seaweed in there as well. So I thought maybe we'd put some of that on the fish and then we'll throw it on the mill scale, let it grill up, get a little smoky on there. Now we're gonna talk about a little bit about guanciale, and this is what bacon wishes it was. Basically bacon made from the pork jowls, and we're gonna render some of this down to make a little bit of an herb butter for our roasted oysters.
Oh, I see. So you're gonna make sort of
just like a compound butter, basically. Yeah. We've got the guanciale rendered down, and we're gonna build off of that with some of this seaweed butter. We've got some Parmesan. I brought some Calabrian chilies from our Italian restaurant, some chives, and some lemon. And basically we're just gonna like chop all this up, kind of just mix it all together, and then we'll put a little bit on each oyster and let the oysters go on the grill.
Oh man, I'm ready.
All right, we're gonna check on the fish now. I got a good feeling about this. Looking pretty good.
Oh,
and
yeah.
So I'm gonna rub a little bit of this really nice oyster butter that we made on this fish as it's finishing up on the grill. Some of the stuff we brought for the fish tacos. So we've got some fresh corn, blue corn tortillas, and then we've got just a real simple guacamole. Peaches right now, they're kicking off like crazy down here. Just thought that would be kind of a fun way to brighten it up a little bit, because we do have this really spicy habanero jalapeno salsa and then just some fresh cilantro. We'll keep it pretty simple, but at the same time, just lots of flavor.
How much longer on the fish?
It's almost there.
It's there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good. The color on the fish is really nice. Yeah, that looks good.
This looks like a pretty good spread to me.
That looks awesome.
Yeah, I think this is a choose your own adventure.
All right, we're going fish first.
All right.
My ears start smoking. Please don't laugh at me.
That's good.
Well, that's real good.
So we're gonna go a little oysters for dessert, and not to say I want to get romantic with you, but they are a nice aphrodisiac. All right, so we got our guanciale and chili butter oysters that we did, and I'm ready to try them.
Hell yeah, man.
All right, let's go for it. Do we cheers it?
Should we cross arms? Well, it's hot.
Yeah, it's gonna be hot.
It's gonna be hot. Holy shit. I burned the fuck out of my tongue. What do you got, a fucking titanium tongue?